Welcome to my Programming for Engineers coursework screencast video. Here you can see my main.cpp file, which has my finance director object with the user interaction function and my output function. When I run my code, it gives me the option to enter any of my three files. So for the first part, I'll choose the first file. So it does not matter whether I put a lowercase or uppercase letters input, as long as it's got a .csv and it matches one of the files to be able to run. So now I have outputted my candlestick chart, which has got my days on my y-axis and my high values on my days on my x-axis, and my y values are my high vector values. My days are incremented by 3, so the difference between each day, each number being outputted is 3 days. This is compensated by the spaces in between and the candlesticks as well, matching that. Below is my bar graph, which also shows the same information, as well as my simple moving average graph here shown, as well as my moving average graph shown here. So in my program, I've asked the user if they would like to save the file into a text file. So I can type in with either Y or capital letter Y or just the word yes, and it would work. And it would ask me to enter the name of a text file that I want to save it into. So here I'll say test1, and so my file would have been saved in the test1 file in my folder. And now it will give me the option whether I want to rerun the program or not. If I say I do want to open, so I'll say Y or capital Y, or just type in the word yes as well, it would ask me to enter the file name I would like to open. So I'll put in my third file here. And if I run that, I will be able to output my third file. So this is my candlestick, my bar graph, as well as my simple moving average and my moving average. So here my program has run all its functions and features. So here I can select no, I don't want to save this into a text file as well, and I don't want to save it into another file. To see my text file that has been saved, I'll just open my file explorer here, and we'll see this test one that I've opened here, and this is the file. The characters that I output is due to the fact that when you're saving into text files, you may lose the characters, and not the same characters are being used as the ones that we have defined in my function. One feature that I put into my code was the reverse function, the reverse command. So because our data was coming from top down and I had pushed back my data from my data the other way around, I had to put reverse functions. So here I've got my open and my high function reversing those vectors, so I can use them to give accurate data. Thank you very much.